feel very weird recording this video. Like, imagine you rating your apna move. Two people rated me a 5. Did I look better than you expected? I mean, you ain't that ugly, but you ain't what I expected. What does that mean? Okay, that hurt.
And my average rating is...
Alright, so today's video, I'm gonna just voice this over because yeah, I'm pretty awkward right now. So today's video is essentially, I did a poll. I can hopefully make it pop up somewhere, and you guys said you'd be down to see it. I'm very scared because I've had this idea for about 6 months, maybe more, but I just not wanted to do it because I felt like it was narcissistic. But
अच्छा भाई, मुझे नहीं पता आपका आपकी वालदा के साथ किस तरह का रिलेशनशिप है. That sounds wrong. लेकिन जब आप एक अंधेरे कमरे में पाकिस्तान का मास्क पहन के बैठे हो और आपकी अम्मी अंदर आए तो एम्बैरेसमेंट फील होती है ब्रो.
at the same time, I need my own space, man. A lot of you say I don't face reveal because I'm just plain ugly, which is not true. Okay, bitches, and I'm not. That's not on. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, ये मैं फ्यूचर से बात कर रहा हूँ या पास्ट से, दोनों मिक्स कर दो. तो हमने पहले क्विज बनानी थी इसके लिए एक, और अब आप वो मेरे साथ बनाएंगे. ओके बाय. नॉट रियली, लेट्स गो. सबसे पहले तो हमने टाइटल लिखना था ताकि जो भी क्विज खोले उसे पता हो किस बारे में है क्विज. जो दूसरी चीज़ हमें करने की ज़रूरत थी वो थी एक इंट्रोडक्शन लिखने की, क्योंकि हमें चाहता था कि जो भी क्विज खोले उसे पता हो क्विज किस बारे में है. तो हमने एक बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल इंट्रोडक्शन लिखा. एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स फॉर दिस क्विज वाज टू लेट पीपल नो कि देड बी एनोनिमस, और उनको ये श्योरिटी हो कि मुझे नहीं पता होगा कि किसने कौन सा क्वेश्चन आंसर किया है, किसने क्या जवाब दिया है, ताकि वो नाइस हो के ज़्यादा बेहतर आंसर ना दे. सो आई मेड श्योर टू मेक इट वेरी क्लियर कि एवरीथिंग विल बी एनोनिमस एंड आई वोंट बी ओपनिंग द फॉर्म्स till about 2 days later. Acha, I feel like I've given you enough background, and now it's been 2 days and people have answered the questions. I made the questions, so yeah, let's see what I get rated. Question mark. I'm very nervous.
Go over these responses, and firstly I'm gonna make my predictions as to what it's going to be. I think so. There's first, let's go through the quiz and what the questions are on it. So I kept the quiz anonymous ताकि पता ना चले कौन कौन सा क्वेश्चन आंसर कर रहा है. मैंने सबको एक साथ भेजा था, सारे एक टाइम पे करें, and I haven't seen these answers before, so this is going to be genuine reactions. And I didn't do any मतलब ये नहीं पता होना चाहिए कि कौन करे, because I read in psychology कि उससे results पे impact होता है. Freud. Secondly, yeah. So the concept of this video, do you understand? So first thing I asked was, did I look like what you expected me to look like? Yes, no. Are you male, female, female? Because we gotta respect all genders. I'm gonna cancel for this, aren't I? Did I look better than you expected, worse than you expected, or exactly how you expected? Yeah. So because a lot of people, I don't know, man. Like when I face revealed to Mustafa, he said I look very different to what he expected. And Momina said I looked exactly how she expected. I don't know, it was weird. No, Mustafa said I looked exactly how I expected. No, वापस हम किधर थे? I hope the mask isn't hindering too much audio. Acha, and then I said rate my physical appearance 1 to 10, and I put a WhatsApp in the middle. देखो इनको कहते हैं फिलर क्वेश्चन साइकोलॉजी में, ठीक है, ताकि जो पार्टिसिपेंट है वो थोड़ा हो जाए कि क्या किस बारे में क्विज है. I felt very uncomfortable making this, so I thought it was fair to ask, okay, did this make me uncomfortable or did you feel it too? And then how are you? Yes, no, obviously. Rate my personality. My personality is fucking banging, man. It's a fucking 10. So you have 3 options. So I gave you choice. This is not dictatorship. We are diplomacy. And I thought this would be a cool little question to add in. So yeah, let's get into it. The photos look fine, but I found myself a pendant and I was like, why not wear it? Because it's not like I wear this shit kahin aur. Shit, battery low. Acha, dusty. My prediction is, I think I'm a 7. Looks wise, I think I look like a 7 on my face. Personality is obviously a 10. I'm predicting a 10 for personality. Did I look like what you expected me to look like? So I didn't look like what 66.7% of people expected me to look like, which is cool. We have a very diverse group of people answering these. So as you can see, it's a very even spread of females and Gmails, and we have 22.2% males as well. So yeah. Moving forward, this is, oh my god, this looks 11.1. Did I look worse than you expected, better than you? So सबसे ज़्यादा क्या है? Oh, मैंने other भी डाल दिया वैसे गलती से. I literally don't know what I expected, but all I know is it's not what I expected. I thought you would be wrong. I mean, you ain't that ugly, but you ain't what I expected. What does that mean? Okay, that hurt. Exactly how you expected is a lot of them. Is exactly how they expected. Look better than you expected is more than that. So 33.3% is look better than you expected. Okay, question. Okay, you rated me on a 2 people rated me a 5. I don't think I'm a 5. Okay, I got 10s. Yeah, I'm just saying. I said 8. I think I'm like a 7.5, which is weird. I don't know why. I feel very weird recording this video. Like, imagine you rating your apna mood, but 2 people rated me a 5, which little hurt, but yes.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं फ्यूचर पास वाला बॉय बात कर रहा हूँ और एक ही बंदे ने 2 दफ़ा जवाब दिया होगा, तो 2 5 नहीं 1 5 है.
Most people did not feel uncomfortable on this, which is cool. How are you, man? Yes, ज़्यादा लोगों ने कहा है. Oh fuck, मैंने बंद नहीं किया ठीक था. Sure, personality is obviously a 10. Okay, so should I face reveal? Yes, unleash the sexiness. Please don't face reveal, leave some girls babies for us normal people. What the fuck? The element of mystery is cool, drag it out as long as possible. I want Okay, bro, वो ही करो जिसमें सुकून मिले. Personally, I think shouldn't do this because one of the reasons you're hyped is the whole idea that you're anonymous. That Pakistan mask is your identity, and the face reveal say you take girls from me, so no. Love you too, man. Who is that? I need to know who these people are, but I don't. The only time you should face reveal is to your wife after nikah. Astaghfirullah, defo would get hecka clout if you face reveal. You're like Patrick Star and handsome Squidward's love child. A lot of people have told me I'd get more clout if I face reveal. Like, it's weird. I would love to face reveal because I feel like I have to do all this extra effort. It took me an hour to make the background something interesting because I feel like I have to compensate for the mask and the lack of expression. Hopefully over time I'll get over it. But I explained in detail why I haven't face revealed yet. I'll try to link a video somewhere. अगर देखने में interested होगा. Yeah, you should. नहीं ना, it's nice कि तुम face छुपाते हो. BC, that's like your thing. I like to poke it. Face reveal, but after some point when you feel like you want to by choice and not without pressure, low-key, get why you don't show your face, Sergi. I don't think you should face reveal because the anonymity adds to the hype of your page and people find it easier to reach out for help. That's why I don't show my face, because a lot of people react to me in the DMs, which I don't think बाकी लोगों के साथ होता होगा इतना. But वो concept यही था कि मैं शुरू में अपनी शक्ल दिखाता था. But then it was like over time I felt like if I hid my face, then it's easier for people to reach out to me and ask for help because that's what we used to do in the start, and that's why we were such a tightly knit community. I still try to, but now there's a lot, so it gets tougher. But yeah, I'm just gonna cut my rant off because I have to explain all of this in the video. But yeah, like I really enjoy a sense of privacy. You know, I enjoy having my life. Like I turn my phone on, and then I'm just me, and I really like that. You know, I don't want to be famous. I don't want to have clout. I don't want to have people chasing me or जो भी मतलब अजीब अजीब लोगों को obsessions होते हैं. I really don't want that. I do this because a friend called me and told me the memes were helping him out. And I thought if it's helping one person out, I'm probably helping other people out. You know, be happier, helping them smile, helping them get through stuff. So that's why I do what I do. I don't do it for the likes or the clout or the fame or the whatever. Isliye I like wearing a mask. So Soltify is a separate person, which is still me, but then I don't know if that makes sense, but then I am a separate person as well. And I have my own life. And none of this shit will ever get to my head because nobody in my life knows that this is me. You know, I open my phone and notifications, DMs, all of that shit's happening. But in real life, मेरे दोस्तों के साथ मेरी actual interactions होती हैं. I know they're not just with me for clout. I know they're not using me. I know इस तरह की कोई shit नहीं हो रही. Because that's very important to me. I don't want to worry about that stuff, you know. Like, I haven't faced real yet. And the pressure on social media is so much, yeah. Like, I got anxiety in the middle. And it's just, you know. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stop filming for now and let's see how this video looks.